Karlovs-Karlovskis. He is second-year master student in Riga Technical University and also presenting City Club Latvia and their solution in configuration management.
Okay. So, maybe a few words about me. So, I'm Karlovs-Karlovskis. Yeah, thanks. Head of configuration management department at CityCo. This will be a little bit different. Can someone answer me what is configuration management for you? Because anybody? Yeah. Okay. Just. Close, but there are a lot of more things. And the main reason of this presentation, or how to call it, is that in Latvia and many other countries, actually no one knows what is configuration management and what it's all about. It's not working. Yeah. There is from Wikipedia short explanation what is configuration management. It started somewhere around 60s for military to organize configuration items, to organize all the stuff. And from this description, you can't understand what is it about for IT for sure. Okay, let's just skip further. I don't have much time. About year 1000 with ITIL, I guess everyone knows at least what is ITIL. There came additional part, additional chapter about configuration management. They made it as a specific process, splitted it in smaller processes, documented it, and basically it was anything you want to document what you can call as an item, it will be a configuration item, and you need a process to control it. So, of course, configuration management. The real example after year 1000 was a bit different. You needed to start maintaining these items. Item can be even stuffing, even people. Not nowadays, but then it was something crazy. Okay, so after then, what happened in real life for companies which tried to adapt to ITIL, which tried it in life, they understood that they have these configuration items and they need to do something with them. In real life, configuration items means source code, packages, servers, and so on. You need to monitor them, build them, and so on. Do you have any idea what is build system, for example, or continuous integration? These are terms which, these are terms which started to develop by themselves, by developers, by companies across the world, and only in 2005 or 6 the terms became official. Let's jump back a little bit. In year 1000 there was one tool named cruise control, and what it did, it just took a source code from some system, made a package from it, gave results. Years later, different other systems came along. I will not jump into every system. They are good, they have pluses, they have minuses. My topic is a bit different. This all is for continuous integration. Problem is that there is continuous integration and it's just part of configuration management. Configuration management includes a lot of stuff. This is configuration management requirements nowadays. For actually just for rapid development. If you want to be agile, you need all of this, and it's not all of it actually. It's just the main goals, main topics, what everyone is talking about nowadays. I'm not going to jump into every point. What I wanted to show you is that topics are a lot of them. As you can see from the small image, configuration management is around product development, around management, around core asset development. It's everywhere. And my goal for all this stuff was, where is a tool for configuration management? There are continuous integration tools, there are continuous delivery tools, there are version control systems, there are change tracking systems, and all of them are split in different systems. So what I want tool for configuration management as configuration management expert. So I just tried to imagine perfect tool, and it should cover most of current problems on the market, which isn't covered by any other tool, unfortunately. For example, what no tool has is in-memory builds. I don't know if anyone has idea what it should be about. There is actually working solution on Java that you can build and do everything in memory. You have file system in memory, for example. It should speed up everything. Such feature even isn't discussed currently for any systems. Of course, it would include continuous integration systems and few other stuff which already exists, but the point is to focus on configuration management. One other problem is everyone is concentrating on development itself, and when it comes to releasing, the company starts to think how to release this thing, how to put it on production, and how to do it quickly, safely, and with maximal short delays in client system. There are different practices how to approach such situations when everything is ideal, and currently in Latvia that's a huge problem. Why is there CTCO everywhere? CTCO would be in this case kind of also like pioneers of configuration management, making it as a department. Small ideas about what should be architecture of this new configuration management tool is what currently we don't have is virtual environments as almost as a cloud computing services. That's one problem of current build systems, that you need a specific hosts for every point, for every stuff build you are doing. So that would be one thing. And another thing I didn't mention is just a scope of different people using these systems. One is business view. What business people wants to know? He wants to know what's wrong, what's right, and can I release it? That would be a very small amount of information, but if you're giving too much, like for technical view, he gets lost in all the information and so on. So this is one more thing which currently no configuration management or continuous integration or whatsoever tools has. I have started to work on it. Not just a proof of concept. But if anybody is interested in developing such tool, what could be a future of configuration management, not only in Latvia but as a worldwide used tool, you can contact me anytime.